Hi, this is Ajay Kumar from RUDRA Surgical Mumbai. We are manufacturer and supplier of laparoscopy, urology and gynecology instruments. This is oval shape virtual endotainer along with 5 instruments: needle holder, Maryland, Caesar, Bhandarkar knot pusher and fenestrate. It also comes with 2 plastic cone for endotainer and 3 practice material, 2 white one and 1 red one, along with USB port for laptop connection. The size of all these instruments is 5 mm into 330 mm. All these instruments are made up of stainless steel. These are autoclavable, reusable, and you can also use in the real surgery. So this is needle holder. And it is Bhandarkar knot pusher with 3 to 5 mm reducer. It comes with this 5 mm into 5 to 3 mm reducer. And here it is fenestrate grasper. And here it is curved scissor. And here it is Maryland. And here it is 2-piece cannula for this endotainer. So here I will attach this second one here. Now I am going to show you how to connect this endotainer in TV. This is power adapter which is connected in this endotainer. So we have to connect this in power switch first. And second one, here is video cable. One end is connected into the TV in yellow port. Okay, and second end we have to connect this here in endotainer. Now we have to go in inputs, then in AV mode. So this is how we have connected the endotainer in TV. And this is the camera clarity, full HD. And you can also rotate this camera in 360-degree view. Now I am going to show you how to add this white color practice material into the endotainer. You have to put this instrument in this plastic cone. Another one in this. For further information, you can contact us on given phone number and mail address in below description. Thank you.